Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to share memories on Facebook as a story. If you want to relive your old posts and share them with friends, keep watching. So first open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged in into your account. On your home screen, tap your profile icon or the menu. Then scroll down and tap on Memories. Here you'll see posts, photos, and moments from previous years. Browse through your memories and pick the one you want to share. Now, once you find it, you can tap on it to open. And for example, you want to share this post, just tap on the share icon at the bottom. So this will open the story editor. So here you can add text, stickers, or effects to make your stories more fun. You can even tag friends. Just tap on tag people right here. You can add music if you want. At the bottom, you can click on the settings icon. You can also change your privacy here. You can save the photo or video. You can write alt text and add AI label. So I'm going to click on privacy and I'm going to make this public and click on save. Confirm the action. Then tap on the share icon at the bottom right. Now close it and go back to home. Refresh the page. Open your story. And that's it. Your memory is now live on your Facebook story. So that's how you can share memories on Facebook as a story. Super easy, right? Try it out and bring your old moments back to life. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.